When you access your Moodle course, you are taken to your course home page. All courses look slightly different, but the basic layout and functionality are always the same. You will generally find introductory information about your course at the top, and if you scroll down, you will find your course modules. Click the name of a module to expand it and view its contents. To expand all the modules, click Open All. To close them, click Close All. This makes navigating the home page faster and easier. There is also a course index on the left-hand side. If you can't see it, click the icon in the top left-hand corner to make it visible. This allows you to navigate quickly and easily between the different sections of your course. Click the bold module titles to go directly to a module. Click the sections listed underneath to go directly to specific learning activities. You can show and hide the module contents by clicking the arrow next to the module title to make navigation easier. For more information about learning online, including details of how to use Moodle to communicate with your tutor and other learners, click the link to our Learning Online course, which you can find near the top of your course homepage. This will take you to another Moodle course, which will open in a separate tab in your browser.